Alright, we're going to grab these, change them to construction lines. Alright, and then we're going to put a door in here. Add a door. Let's go ahead and try that like this. Alright, we'll make it a small door. It goes in there. 2'4" is probably great for this door. In a bathroom. Alright, we'll probably switch this around. Nope, because you don't want to open it to the hallway. You're in the bathroom, you want to grab a towel out of there. You want it to go this way. So we'll do that. And now I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and move this over to the corner. DI, figure out what the distance is from here to here. 1 foot, so I can move it over 6 inches. Over the ortho on, 6 inches. Trim. Alright. So now let's look at this. We look pretty good with this here. So it looks like we've got all our doors in. Kind of got some stuff figured out. That's where our chimney is. We might go in here and do something like, let's see, create a rectangle in here to show where the flues are or something like that. And I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Mirror that up to the other side. Oops. I'm going to mirror it up. I meant to mirror and I clicked copy. It even said copy, didn't I? Alright. So there we go on that one. Alright, I think we're ready to kind of move on here. Let's look at some of the things where windows are. There's 2 windows there. There's a window there. There's a nice big window back there in that bedroom. 2 windows there and a window there. Not many windows. So let's go ahead and add 2 windows by the spa right here. So we won't be able to add 2 windows because we're not using the same type of spa. Rotate that around from that point right there. So you're trying to get this positioned this way. I'm going to drag that out to be 6 inches. And probably going to do something like this. I'm going to draw a line that goes straight out. So this is centered over top of the door. So from that midpoint right there, I'm just going to move this right here from this midpoint to that midpoint right there. Okay, so that gives us 1 window there. This wall, this would have mirrors up here on this one. This was a closet. You can't do that. A closet right there, so you won't be able to put that in here. So in this bedroom here, we could put a window in. As a matter of fact, that was where the big one was, wasn't it? The big one was right. A bigger window was right there. So we might be able to put in a nice size window here. Let's try something. Let's try drawing a line. I'm just going to attempt to do this perpendicular here. And then I'll drop a window in. Let's go right here. Rotate it around. Alright, so before I do that, I'm going to move that out and make that a 4'6". Man, a 5-foot window would be nice in there. Make it 4'6". Alright, so let's move this from here to here. Put that in place. Alright, so we got one there. So there's none on the end here. There's a nice big one over there on that side. It looks like it's even larger than this one. So let's go back over to that side. I liked what we did there. So we'll draw a line from that midpoint to the perpendicular here. Alright, and then we'll put in, oops, not a door, but a window. And then we'll make that go 6 inches wide. Go ahead and make this one, we'll make that one the 5-foot door. And then move that from that midpoint to there. Alright, get rid of that. So we got a nice big window there. Looks like these other ones are probably smaller windows. That's not a bad idea to have a big window there. I like to get sunlight into rooms and stuff. So let's put in a window right here. Let's go put a window in. We could try to put something in here. Let's rotate that around that way. Now we can't put it right there because it interferes with that. Wow, that messed up. Stuff like that happens. 90 degrees. Rotate it 180. Kind of close to where I want it to be. So I'm actually going to leave that right there, like that. And I'm going to copy this one. I am going to do that. I'm going to copy this nice big window here from that midpoint over here to this midpoint. So we got two big windows on the back side of that house. Alright, so we're done with windows. Alright, so it looks like we're getting ready to start the dimensioning part of it and labeling. So we'll do that in the next video.